Good morning to all of our dear subscribers. The FutureTrend channel is again with you, and today is 14 May of 2018. We are starting our analysis of major currencies. First of all, we'd like to mention the fact that today is a really very empty day. The empty day or with economic kind of releases, data releases or speeches of some of central bankers. We unfortunately don't have such kind of events today. Of course, over the course of the week, the economic calendar will be much fuller. For example, we will have a Draghi speech in the middle of the week, as well as tomorrow a very special, a very interesting economic release from the United States in the form of retail sales report. Taking into account that the last series of United States economic numbers, I mean the series of inflation economic numbers, were really not so optimistic, let's say, so not so buoyant for the nearest future of the United States currency. I think that from that point of view, the market will pay particular attention to tomorrow's retail sales report. But it will happen tomorrow. As regarding the slow start of the week, as regarding today, the market will be more or less concentrated on the political developments in Italy. Now we are speaking about the euro-dollar. And here we suggest that the euro-dollar could develop some further momentum to the upside. Of course, to the upside there is a series of strong resistances. The first one is psychological important barrier 120, as well as moving average 200 daily line, which located at the moment around 120.19. All in all, this level, as well as the highs of 2017 around 120.90, represent a kind of stronger resistances on the way to the upside for the euro-dollar right now. Of course, from a technical point of view, the euro-dollar is a sell on the rally currency, or at the moment. Anyway, speaking longer term, we are not so pessimistic regarding the euro-dollar, and really we don't expect the pair will slump to the lows of 2017 around 115.5. We suggest that approaching this barrier, the pair will receive some boost and will meet some stronger buying interest from medium to longer term accounts. As regarding the dollar yen, here the pair still trading above its immediately bullish trend line, which is in the process of eroding right now. At the moment, the price of the dollar yen is 109.32. Anyway, the psychological barrier of 110, as well as the moving average 200 daily line of 110.16, represents a tougher point to break to the north for the dollar yen right now. As regarding the cable, here also the situation is not so dramatically negative for the cable right now, because from the point of view of weekly closing, the pair still trading above its moving average 200 daily line, which located at the moment around 135.48. And while so, the pair still has some potential to extend its corrective pullback to the upside. Anyway, to the upside, the pair should meet some stronger barrier around 137 and 138. Anyway, once again, we are not so pessimistic about the cable at the moment, and in case of some better economic releases, about UK economy, as well as some negatives from the United States, the cable could quickly rebound and resume its longer-term uptrend. And finally, some words about the dollar Swiss, which is really looking really very overbought from a position of short-term technical indicators. Anyway, the pair still remain rather buoyant, while trading above its current bull trend located around 0.9750, and while above that level, any kind of corrective pullbacks to that region should present a buying opportunity right now for the dollar Swiss. Thank you very much for all of your attention. Some later we will come with our analysis of euro crosses and commodity currencies.